Welcome to LegitApp. Interested in verifying the authenticity of your pre-loved luxury bags in just 30 minutes online? LegitApp is here to help. In this easy guide, we'll show you how to authenticate your Hermès Birkin bag effortlessly. Open LegitApp on your phone for a fast and secure authentication experience. You'll need some legit tokens to get started, with each token costing about $1. Choose the plan that works for you and buy your tokens. Click Start. First, choose Luxury Handbags from the category and select the brand from the top brands we support. Then, tap Birkin Handbag. Next, choose your authentication speed. LegitApp offers industry-leading speeds, with results available in 30 minutes or less, including complimentary protection. Choose the option that best suits your schedule. Now comes the important part, taking photos. Here's what you need to do. Take clear photos of the entire bag front, a close-up of the Hermès logo on the leather, and the date stamp. The date stamp is usually found on the inner closure strap, under the flap, or inside the pocket. We also recommend taking photos of the zippers, buckles, and other hardware for extra assurance. After you've taken all the necessary photos, upload them and add any extra details you think might help. Confirm the payment using your Legit tokens. You can track the status as the countdown begins, and you'll often get your results even faster than expected. LegitApp's Birkin authentication process involves not just one or two, but 3 seasoned authenticators, plus AI analysis technology for top-notch accuracy. If your bag is authentic, you'll receive a free digital certificate as proof of authenticity. If the bag is a replica, you'll receive a difficulty score from 1 to 10 and the reasons why. LegitApp offers fast, reliable, and accurate results, trusted by luxury handbag enthusiasts worldwide. Download it now from the App Store or Google Play. Follow us for more authentication tips and the latest updates.